Hello, this is Andre. In this recording, I will show you a little bit about the Microsoft Excel that can be plugged in into Icon. So when you have your Icon open, the first thing that I want to point out to you is you can learn if you click on this Helios and then you can go to training, or you can simply type training like so, and then you hit enter. So once you have training, there's going to be a lot of catalog that you can see here. So here on demand training, this is a video recording that was set professionally and it is sitting inside Icon. So you can go to Icon Microsoft Office here and then just click on getting started. So all of this content here, getting started, uh, it is recorded here. So it will show you a video, a very short video, like 1 or 2 minutes, um, a presentation on how you can utilize Microsoft Office and retrieve real-time data or historical data from Icon. So you will get something like this. There's a quick start guide also. You can click on it and then you can download it, but we're not gonna do that. If you go here, just simply click on it. There's going to be some module here. Okay. So there's going to be some guided module, step by step like this. Okay. So that's pretty much, this is the basic where you can first start how to use Microsoft Office Excel and then retrieving the data into Icon. And then the second thing that I wanted to show you is if you simply just type Excel and then you click on the Excel app and you open Excel like so. So for example, you open this, you notice here on the top, there's going to be a Refinitiv icon tab. So you click on that tab and then you make sure that you are signed in. So the reason why we are signing in is to connect Microsoft Office into Icon. Okay, so this right now it is still connecting, and once the connection is successful, then it will change the status to online. Okay, like so. This is now becoming an online. So now in here, you can retrieve some templates, pre-built template. So the menu is all in here, inside here, Refinitiv icon. So the menu, you can click on the menu here to see the templates. Basically, this is a pre-built template based on the asset classes that you are looking for. So for example, if I do equity, so I simply type equity and then I just simply do a search, or you can, yes. So basically here there are so many different templates pre-built. And let's say if you're looking for data stream or company fundamental, you just simply click on it. And then there's going to be about 8 templates that you can use. And you can just simply click open and it will open up the Excel spreadsheet. Okay, and the second thing is if you want to build a formula, and this is also covered inside this getting started package. So if you, let me just close that. If you go to build formula, you can really build a formula easily. But I would encourage you, before you do this, you learn the basic from training video. So for example, in this case, I'm just going to choose instruments. I can reference it from here, for example, and then I can, this one is for real-time data. If you're looking for real-time data, or if you click on this is going to be on the historical data. Time series is historical data. Okay. So let's say I'm looking for real-time data and I'm looking for bit. So I simply type bit, and then there's going to be a few things popping up here. I can, let's say, for example, uh, here, there's going to be some explanation on it. So you can, basically just give it a try and have a look. And then you can also change the parameter from here. All right. So I will leave it to you here now. This is the basic. I would really encourage you to look for the training. So just simply type training again on Icon, and then just click on this training on for Icon, and then really go into the Icon Microsoft Office. Actually, there's quite a few learning. This is pre-recorded learning, and then you can just simply browse through it. Okay, thank you very much. And if you have any specific question on how to retrieve some data, if you have some difficulties, let me know. I will guide you through. Okay, thank you.